Is your powerful NVIDIA graphics card suddenly invisible to your Windows 11 PC, leaving you with a blank screen or basic display performance? Don't worry, this is a common issue and many users encounter it. Your NVIDIA GPU might not be detected due to a few key reasons: outdated or corrupted drivers, a physical connection issue, or even a misconfiguration in your system's BIOS settings. First, let's check Device Manager. Press the Windows key and type Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. If your NVIDIA card isn't listed here, or shows up with a yellow exclamation mark, that's our starting point. The most frequent culprit is driver issues. Visit the official NVIDIA website and navigate to their driver download section. Search for your specific graphics card model and download the latest drivers. For Windows 11, make sure to select the Clean Installation option during the driver installation process. If a clean driver install doesn't do the trick, it's time to investigate the hardware connection. Power down your computer completely and disconnect the power cord. Open your PC case, locate your graphics card slot on the motherboard, and gently unseat the NVIDIA GPU. Ensure the card is properly aligned. Then firmly reseat it back into the slot. Also, check that all power connectors from your power supply are securely attached to the graphics card. Another area to check is your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your computer and immediately press the key that enters BIOS setup, usually Del F2 or F12. Indicated on your boot screen. Look for settings related to primary graphics adapter or PCIe slot configuration. Ensure that your NVIDIA GPU is set as the primary display output and that the correct PCIe slot is enabled. Save your changes and exit BIOS. After these steps, reboot your computer. Windows 11 should now recognize your NVIDIA graphics card. You can confirm this by opening the NVIDIA control panel to access your GPU's settings and performance options. If you still face issues, consider testing the graphics card in another compatible PC or consulting a professional for further hardware diagnostics.